Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to discuss on your lesson number 12, that is surfing internet. Last class we have discussed about the internet service providers, the companies which provides you internet, and internet is not governed by one company. Okay, it's a public network and there are many companies who provide you internet with your fee. Now we are going to talk about your popular services on the internet. So there are many facilities available on the internet, like just now you are studying on the computer, you are watching a video through your internet and you are learning. So this is the one part, or you can do the online shopping, you can do the video conferencing, you can do the audio conferencing and many more. So we are going to study about the popular services on the internet. So the first service is your World Wide Web, that is your www, and it's a large server where the information is stored and we can see that information using your browser. If the information is stored in your www, you cannot open it in Word, you cannot open it in MS PowerPoint, you cannot open it in your Excel, okay, or your paintbrush. You have to open it in your browser, okay. And example of browsers are your like Mozilla, Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer and many more. Now World Wide Web, it consists of public websites connected to the internet, okay, including the client devices. You can open that websites on mobile phones also. Now these websites are identified by short unique global identifier. हर एक वेबसाइट का एक एड्रेस होता है and that address is known as your URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, so what is that URL? URL is your website address. Now on the internet there are millions of web pages and that web pages are the part of your websites. Now these websites contain your text, pictures, audio, video, okay. So it's a multimedia. Now there is one site www.irctc.co.in. It's a railway reservation website. Okay. Now what is that e-commerce? Commerce means what? Commerce means your commercial activities. Means the activities by which any money is exchanged. Okay, that comes under your commerce. Okay, if you are going to study business studies, that is a part of your commerce. So commerce means your commercial. Commercial means where the money involves. Okay, so e-commerce means you are going to do online shoppings, that is comes under your e-commerce, because you are exchanging money and you are purchasing something on using your websites, so that comes under your e-commerce. Now internet offers us convenient way to shop from our home or office or almost everywhere. Okay, we can book tickets, electronic mails we can send, we can buy or sell in new or the second hand items. Now the second thing is your chatting. Chatting, like you are going to type a text and that text is received by any other person, that is your chatting. Different programs are there for your chatting, like your WhatsApp, Google Talk. Now one can chat through instant messenger or your chat room or your chat website. Apart from the text chat, we all can interact with each other using your voice and video chat. And this pandemic situation teaches very beautifully how to do video conferencing. It gives us that learning never stops. Okay, we have learned many things in this pandemic situation. We are becoming more techno friendly using your internet facilities. Different chat rooms are there, just like our classroom app where you can log in and it is your chat room. These are the example of your chat messengers. Google Talk, Live Messenger, Skype. Then what do you mean by your downloading? If you are going to save something in your computer from internet, okay, down where it will be downloading in your computer. So when you are going to save something in your computer, that is your downloading. And when you are going to save from your computer टू इंटरनेट दैट इज योर अपलोडिंग. जैसे आपने कोई वीडियो बनाया और आप यूट्यूब में डाल रहे हैं, दैट इज अपलोडिंग. मैंने कोई वीडियो बनाया और आप अपने कंप्यूटर में सेव कर रहे हैं, दैट इज योर डाउनलोडिंग. Then there is one fact file. This is the picture of Nicholas Janice Tom and your his Danish partner Janus Fries, and they are the founder of your Skype. There is one activity which is used for your chatting. Google Talk is there for your chatting. So social networking sites are used for your connection with your friends. Now some of the popular social networking sites: Facebook, then your LinkedIn. LinkedIn is your professional social networking site. Orkut is no more. Orkut abhi nahi hai. Then your Hi5. Okay. E-banking. Now what is that e-banking? Electronic banking. Okay, your mother and father must be doing that e-banking and they are using the bank services electronically. Now let's know more. When you visit any site, the first page opens is known as your home page. ठीक है, फर्स्ट पेज जो भी ओपन होता है दैट इज योर होम पेज. We usually see captions like visit us on www.intel.com. That is your website address. Now ये जो काम पीछे आता है .com, .in, .org, that means your .com means your commercial site. .in means your the site which is of India. .org means your non-profitable organization. Now every website is have a web address. If you type www.intel.com, website of Intel will be open. Now modem, what is that modem? Modem is your device that connects to your computer with telephone line. and it will exchange the signals so that can travel through your telephone lines. Now internet is basically a vast resource of information. We can search and find information using your website, and this is your search engine where you are going to search the things. Like google.com is your search engine. Google.com is from Google, Bing.com is from Microsoft, Yahoo.com is from your Yahoo. Now again one fact, www.bing.com is the latest search engine of your Microsoft. Okay. Email stands for your electronic mail. You can open your email address after the age of your 13. Before 13 you can open your email address with the parental control. So when you are going to in your 8th standard you can open your email account. Email is fastest way of sending mails, where postal addresses detail like name, address, city, ठीक is replaced by your email address. Now in email we can attach videos, photos, but up to your 25 MB. If more than 25 MB, then it will be uploaded in your Google Drive. Some popular services which are used for sending emails: Yahoo, Gmail, Rediff.com. Now username is your user ID and password should be your just like a key. By using that password you can enter into your account. Now the features of email. Now what is that? Composing. Composing means when you are going to create a mail and you want to send the mail to someone, that is known as your composing. And when you send it, that is your sending. So composing means to create a mail. All the mails will be stored in your inbox. Okay. All the sent mail will be stored in your sent mail. We can send one mail to many persons. How to attach a file? To attach a file, what we have to do? We have to click on this attach a file option, okay, and then select the file from your computer and then click on open. The file will be attached. Now you cannot send executable files, okay. In your mail you cannot send executable files. जिन फाइल्स के पीछे .exe रहता है, you cannot send that files. Replying means if person sends you the email and you want to reply to the same person, then you will be clicking on reply. If you want to forward that message to some other person, then you will be clicking on forward option. Now adding a signature to the mail means you are going to add your name, address, phone number with your email. So when once you have created the signature, you can add it to every mail. Now how to create the signature? You have to click on this settings option, then create your signature. Click on save. Yes, this is very important. Once you have done with your work, always log out or sign out from your account. If you are using the email on your public place, always log out or sign out from your account. Now points at the glance, what we have learned in this chapter. Internet is a network of networks that consists of millions of computers which are spread across the world. In India, internet services started on 15th August 1995 and the company was your BSNL. Chat is an online conversation over the internet. Some of the popular chat softwares are your Google Talk. Then social networking website functions like your online community on the internet. Email stands for electronic mail and it provides facility to attach files. Signature is a bit of personalized text that is automatically inserted at the bottom of every mail. Once you have created, it will be added. Okay, so that's all for this lesson. You have to read this lesson, and nowadays you are knowing more than this lesson for your internet, because daily you are interacting on your internet, so you must be knowing more than that. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.